Hi, it's Angelcafé. Just breezing today, doing a little house cleaning, a little decorating. We have the phoenix rising there, and a lovely bunch of roses here. I want to show you something today. The art of symmetry. You start at the back. If we look at the top shelf, you begin by anchoring the space or the shelf or the surface with an ornament, and on opposite sides you place something else. Two items. It doesn't have to be exact, but if it is exact, it will look lovely and perfect. And then you come out to the front, you repeat, and you can extend. This is my Mother's Day decorating of my, or redecorating rather, of my bookshelf. Hope you liked it. And this is what I made. 30 minutes, 5 minutes mixing, 5 minutes resting, 5 minutes rolling out, 5 minutes resting again, 10 minutes frying, and in 30 minutes we had these lovely fried bakes. No yeast. This is just a simple bake with baking powder. We had no yeast, so we made it like this. Or I rather made it like this. You know what I always say, use what you have. So do not bother the neighbors on Mother's Day for any salt, sugar, or yeast. Use what you have and make something nice for yourself. Happy Mother's Day, everyone, from Angelcafé and ArtAngel 2024. Love you.